Good morning, people! Nakapack na kami, guys. Malapit na kami matapos. There you go. I miss yung dalawa. Yung amin nandito pa. Yan. Pero malapit na yan matapos. Bits and pieces na lang. Yan. Tapos na tayo. Nag-lip tint lang ako. Hindi na ako nag-face makeup. Yun lang. Tapos glasses. This side. Are you good? Can you open mine, please? Thank you very much. Guys, iiwan namin to kasi sira na. Hindi na magagamit. Oh. Sira. $10. Dito lang siya sa trip na to. Bigat kasi ng mga pinaglalagay niyang babaeng yan. Ito. Iwan. Ano yan? Hand carry mo yan, miss?
Yeah.
OTD, miss. OTD mo. Char. Nice mo OTD. Ang init.
But I'm not wearing.
Saan mo nabili yan? Uy.
This one is from.
Nice.
This is from Supre.
Spray and then shoes. Nike? Yeah. Si Daniel outfit. Very tropical. Guys, nasaan si Freddy? Freddy Aguilar. Tara na. Ready na si Dad, no? Huh? Alis na siya. Keys, babe? We've got all 3 keys. We need to give them back the keys. Malang. Oh, good. Wait, tingnan natin tong mga nasa ano. Ito. Meron ka pa ba dyan? Meron ka pa ba dyan? Meron ka pa ba dyan? Kung saan na nilalagay mga towel ni Dan. Oh, good, babe. Here. The safe is empty, babe? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, good. Ano yan? Wait, saan na to? I'm just checking, babe. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Bageng. Bageng. Bageng is on. Me too, yeah. I'm starving. Ikaw, gutom na ka?
Yeah.
Maybe let's go.
Ah, you're not hungry?
Alright, let's go.
Dito na ulit kami, guys. Bili kami ng triple cheese chow. Sedan yung bibili. Ano pa din siya? Limit 1 box per customer. So, yung isang box, 3 laman. 55 each yung triple cheese, 40 each yung vanilla. Pero mas masarap yung triple cheese, guys. Starbucks na naman kami, guys. Same thing, coffee frappuccino. Ano siya? Yung inano ko na pangalan is Rich. And ganito pagkasulat ng Rich. In Thailand. Ganyan siya, guys. So, this one was, I think, 150 baht. 150 baht for this.
140.
Is it 140? Yeah, 140 dahil, guys. 140 baht for each. And then, Sisi's was 150 baht. Ano sa kanya? Matcha. Matcha latte. Guys, nanggaling kami sa H&M and nakabili na si Dan at saka si Miss. Ako, wala akong nabili. Hanapin lang namin saan yung backpack. Bibili siya ng backpack. Here? Sa London. Naa siya sa London.
So where's London then? You are here.
London.
So we need to
Asa diri ang London? That one's Tokyo. That one's London. So second floor.
How do you know? Second floor. What floor?
Second floor and then asa dara oh.
Backpack. So after the
So lift. Adto ka dito.
optic.
Okay. Nahanap namin siya, guys. Nandito siya sa London. Backpack. Bibili si Miss ng ganito. Herschel. Herschel daw. Nice man pala color. I like the small one. Cute kayang gamay. Ang yellow po. Nice parang yellow, Miss. I like that one. The black is nice kasi meron siyang ano, gold na. Actually, nice lahat, Miss. Kano po nice po kayo noon. The yellow and the pink I like. Maganda yung loob ng pink, guys. See, red? Ganyan ba lahat ng loob? Ganyan lahat ng loob? Hindi ko kasi alam tong brand na to. Si Miss lang sabi. Maganda na tong brand na to. Ay, same lang pala lahat ng loob, oy. See, maganda yung yellow, diba, guys? Maganda naman yung yellow. Yung pink din, maganda.
Wala yung laptop.
What? Bayad na si Miss, guys. Yung pinili niya is yung pink. Yung malaking version nito. Cute siya. Nice. it feels really sturdy as well. After nito, hanap kami ng gift para kay Mama Lu. Kasi siya yung magpipick up na sa amin sa airport, guys. What are we gonna buy your mom?
A new daughter-in-law.
Surprise! I got married in Thailand to a different woman. Nice kaya ang toilet, guys. Way out. Pero dun sa loob, ay, hindi nakita. Basta nice kaya siya, guys. Ano siya, London na theme. So, itong floor na to, London siya, guys. And, like, level 1 will be Tokyo. Asa na si Dan? Ano siya? We will meet him somewhere here. Okay. Dito kami sa beauty cottage, guys. Bumili lang kami ng gift para kay Mommy Dear. And I got this for myself as well. Ano siya, guys? Purifying aloe vera deep cleansing oil. 245 baht right there. Thank you. Ang cute ng bag nila. How much? 750. Dito kami sa ano, guys?
Okay.
Parang ground floor.
Can you put the sauce on it and this as well? Thanks.
Sauce? Dito kami sa ground floor ng Terminal 21, guys. Bumili kami ng siomai doon. Yan. Sarap nitong siomai ni ate. And then si Dan, bili ng pork bun dito. Para siyang street food, diba? Pero nasa mall kami. And dito. Yan. Terminal 21. Tapos after nito, uwi na kami sa hotel. Are you good? Nakabalik na kami sa hotel, guys. Ilalagay lang namin sa luggage yung mga napamili namin kanina. Oh, we need to take the beauty buffet bag out, or no, that's right. Beauty cottage. Okay. What else? That's it. This one? Yeah. Okay. No, easy. All good. That's it, babe. Is that it? Do you have to put anything in here?
No.
Oh, good. Oops. Terminal, entrance 6 kasi Malaysia Airlines. And sabay kami ni Miss. Same flight kami. Papuntang Malaysia. And then after Malaysia, mag-iwalay na kami. Guys, si Michael! Hi!
From Pakistan.
Pakistan! Pakistan siya, guys. Thanks for saying hi. Thank you. Ingat, ingat. Naka-check-in na kami, guys. So, punta na tayo sa international departure.
Hello.
Guys, bibili na ako. Talaga ito. Excuse me. Good. Can I look at that? Yes. This one? Do you have this in gold?
No, don't have. I got it navy blue. May I have the body mask?
I might have it. Do you have it in there, babe?
Do you have it?
I must have it.
Do you want to pay by cash or by card?
Like. discount works out to be more, right? Than 1/8. Yeah.
After you buy as well. You buy your wallet. I have a gift voucher for you. Voucher? Yeah. You keep this is a currency for the bag.
Yep.
Yeah. Worldwide international.
Okay.
And there's no, you can't use the VAT, can you, for that? So you can't get the discount, the 5% discount?
Here is a gift for you. Yeah.
What's the gift?
What is it?
It's for L'Occitane.
Ah, okay.
What is it, sorry?
L'Occitane skincare.
Skincare?
Yes, skincare.
Thank you.
ลูกแคนอะไรปกตินะหนูได้ปกติปกติ
15% ค่ะ
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Oh my God. Nandito na kami sa ano guys, gate namin, D5. In fairness sa Thailand, maganda yung Bangkok, maganda yung airport niya. Very organized, right?
Yep.
Okay, malinis guys. Especially, kahit na din sa sa labas, sa mga roads, malinis, di ba ba? Yeah. Agtang ko more. Dito na kami guys. Dito sana si Dan. Tapos si Miss dun sa 7. 21 kami. Nagpalit sila.
Gusto niya close.
Na, si Dan yung nagsabi, dun ka halay, bakit parang zoom in naman kayong mukha natin? Ay, ganun talaga siya. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Dito na kami maghihiwalay. Ni Miss, punta na siyang New Zealand. Yung gate namin, buti na lang same, C. C16 kami, si Miss C35. Yes. Daan muna sa mga shops. Kasi siguro magbo-board kami in 30 minutes. So yeah. Perfect timing. Yung ano lang, 2 hours lang ata yung
Okay,
layover.
so we're gonna be different.
Yeah.
We're C16.
Doon kami, si Sisi doon.
I'll go there.
Okay. Sama siya sa amin guys kasi wala pa yung boarding niya. Sama-sama. How are you, my love? Are you good? Good job. Maganda din naman yung airport ng Malaysia. Yeah, maganda tingnan, no? Malaki. Si, ano kami guys? C16. So, doon kami. Tingnan mo sila guys. Huwag ka nga ganyan. Hindi na sila, hindi na kailangan magsabi left, right kasi they're very disciplined. They know what to step. Ay, meron pa. Go, ate and kuya. Look.
One and quarter. 1.5. 0.
Home sweet home, guys. Home sweet home. Buti na lang malinis yung bahay. Anyway, yun na guys, yung video. Sobrang thank you guys for watching. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung vlogs, travel vlogs. And yeah, it was good to see Cici again. Hope to see her very soon. How are you, my love? Tired. Anyway, I'm just gonna unpack. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Be good.